folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am at the MBS factory here in Serbia, and I am going to show you guys some of the models in their showroom. This right here is a new model that we're looking at possibly bringing in for 2023-2024 year. This model here is shown in the beige, which is the cream color. I've been getting a lot of requests for this particular color. I really like the looks of this stove, so I want to just go ahead and throw it out there and see what you guys think to see if there's a demand for this product in North America. This model is going to be available in 4 different colors. You can get it in the cream that's shown. You can order it in black, burgundy, or green. So if you guys are familiar with the Magnum model, this one is just going to be a little bit upgraded, and I think it looks a little bit nicer. So drop your comments below, let me know what you think. The one thing I do want to point out is this model is not UL or ULC listed for North America, the United States, or Canada. So please be sure to check with your homeowner's insurance. This is still a wood cook stove, which is going to be EPA exempt, so you have no requirements there. The UL will affect your homeowner's insurance, or if you're in Canada and having any type of wet inspection, that could possibly be a problem as well. So check with your insurance company or any inspector that you're dealing with. So the MBS products are able to burn wood or coal. They are going to have cast iron doors on the front of the unit. Inside, so this is going to be the left-hand flue, which means the firebox will be on the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front. You can order this reversed as well, which would put your flue on the right and your firebox on the left-hand side. Your flue will always be located above the oven. So inside the oven, we have 4 different levels that you can place your oven rack. It does come with just one single oven rack, so if you want to cook multiple things at the same time, please request to order an additional rack. Inside the firebox here, we do have full refractory on the sides, the rear, and then the bottom of the stove is going to be a cast iron grate. We do have a log roller to keep anything from rolling forward and hitting the glass. The firebox door is going to be fully gasketed, as well as the oven door. Located directly below the firebox is going to be your removable ash pan here, and located directly below the oven is going to be a clean out. At the bottom of the stove is going to be your pan drawer. This can be used to store pans and or kindling on the unit. You are going to have just 2 damper controls on this particular model. You are going to have your oven control located here at the top of the stove. This is what is going to circulate the smoke around the oven to get it hot. You only want to activate your oven after you have a nice hot fire burning for at least about 30 to 40 minutes. You do not want to start circulating that dirty smoke around before it's burning nice and clean, so keep that in mind. Located at the bottom of the stove is going to be your other damper control, located right here towards the bottom. This is going to be your airflow. And then you also have a grate mechanism located at the bottom, which will slide this grate area back and forth. That would be used when you're burning coal and or if you're removing ashes from the stove. So drop some comments below, you guys. I take you all over the world. I show you various colors. Let me know if you're interested so I can start planning inventory. If you guys like these videos, don't forget, give us a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.